Okay, dito sa Give Me a Break, actually, what happens here is we do not introduce you. We ask you to introduce yourself. Kayo mismo mag-introduce sarili nyo sa televiewers. Huwag kayong lumayo sa akin. I won't bite. Come closer. Para ma-close up tayo na. Ayan. Okay, we'll start with you.
Almost 6 years na ako sa Power Image.
Ano?
Almost 6 years in Power Image.
How many years?
6 years.
6 years na
6
kayo?
years.
You know why kasi guys, pag mga grupo, madaling mag-disband yan. Minsan hindi umabot ng 1 year, kwatak-kwatak na. So ito, pareho pa rin grupo after 6 years.
Bali, 15 years anniversary na po ng Power Image ngayon.
15 years.
Yeah.
Wow, very good. So, ba't ang layo nyo?
That's a good group.
Okay, I'd like you to introduce yourself and maybe if you want, kung gusto nyo may babatiin kayo, pwede. Okay.
Invite namin kayo sa lahat ng show namin sa Tambalan this February 13 in Robinson Place, Manila. And this Saturday nga pala sa may Master Show Manwala kami.
Okay, yeah. Next, come here.
Hi, I'm Albert De La Cruz. Bago lang ako sa Power Image and ay sa mga taga-Pangasinan.
Bago pa lang, ha? Okay. Next.
Mag-1 year pa lang po ako sa Power Image.
Alam mo.
Penny Boy.
Okay. Guys, they wanna know you guys, ha? Hindi ko nila makilala.
Ako nga pala si Alvin Santiago. Bago lang din po sa Power Image.
Kala ko 6 years na yung Power Image. Diba, umiiba lang yung group, umiiba lang yung members, no?
Iba-iba.
Oo. And next we have
Mark June. Bago lang po ako dito sa Power Image.
bago rin, oh. Mga bago lahat yata ito.
JC nga po pala, 2 years na po ako sa Power Image. Andyan nga po pala manager namin, si Boss
Tatawagin natin yan, mamaya. Oh. Okay.
I am NG Arce po. Bago lang din po ako sa Power Image.
Okay.
Well, actually, they started...
Meron pa.
Okay.
Meron pa. Huwag kayo magtago dyan sa likod.
RG Manyawal.
RJ.
Yeah po. RG Manyawal po.
And who else? This guy.
Jobber Galapo po.
Matagal ka na sa Power Image,
15
no?
years.
15 years. Nakakita ko kanina pag sayo, sabi ko, ito matagal na yan sa grupo na yan.
right.
Sa sayaw pala
Actually,
makikita
Tito
mo
Gus,
na.
they guessed already in Dance Entertainment before 15 years ago. Then many shows came in, and because of Leo Recto, their manager.
Okay, yes. We would like to bring in the guy responsible for them.
Yeah.
Leo, come on, join us. Yeah.
Happy anniversary to your group. You're a good manager. So how are you, sir?
Well, I'm fine. I'd like to thank the show for having this group here celebrating their 15th anniversary.
Yeah.
Thank you very
15th
much.
anniversary, ah.
Well, actually, Tito Gus, I just want to ask Leo, how did you motivate them to be sticking into 15 years?
Actually, from generation to generation na yan eh. Kung 15 years, so normally pag compute mo, bali medyo matanda ng iba. So, from generation, may mga nakikita kayo dito, medyo yung iba bago na.
Actually naman Dan, parang banda yan eh. No? The name stays, meaning to say, Power Image is there. Umiiba yung group members, no? Umiiba yung...
Exactly.
But there's some people like this ancient guy here na 15 years na kasama. Pero nakikita mo actually sa sayaw pa lang kanina. You know, I come from a family of dancers. I can spot a good dancer. So kanina nakita ko sa sayaw nila, ito matagal na yan sa ano. So tama ako, ano? 15 years na. So what do you plan for these guys for the next 15 years?
Well,
Ano ba criteria to join this group?
yun lang, kailangan may talent talaga. At the same time,
May tsura. I know this
Exactly.
kasi may mga tsura lahat eh.
Kasi ang market kasi natin is TV and mall shows,
Yes.
events. So, yun lang ang ano namin.
Tsaka importante din, for you for those of you watching the show, many times kasi ang dami ditong gustong mag-guest na hindi man lang nakabihis, you know. First important is an audio-visual art. Kailan yung visual nyo maganda, di ba? Dapat kaya, tingnan mo sila, naka-uniform eh. May mga itsura.
Yeah, and there's a saying,
Take care of your look.
There's a saying, Tito Gus, first impression last, right?
Huh?
First impression last.
Yes, first impression last. Anyway, guys, I was saying, we have a new discovery. And she's here with us tonight, ladies and gentlemen. And should we call her already?
Yep.
Or
Okay, the name is Aubrey Guzman.